Lenexa at its best. This is a true heartfelt, warm, and inviting home. I'm at 8343 Alden Lane in Lenexa, Kansas. More importantly, the Cedars, a highly acclaimed subdivision. But this home is so well done. It's a true 2-story on a cul-de-sac lot with not 4, but true 5 full bedrooms. Fresh paint, fresh carpet, it's ready to go on an awesome floor plan. Come check it out. Okay, and who doesn't love this kitchen? White cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, fresh light coming in, granite countertops, and a huge center island. You can see 3 or 4 people here. Custom paint job on the island. It's amazing, but it keeps going on. Sunken living room, box beam ceilings, built-in fireplace, new paint, new carpet. This one is ready to go. Okay, so you saw the warmth and character of the brick on the front, but you can't miss the back. This backyard's incredible. Perfectly level, perfectly shaded, just a perfect scenario for any activity you want.